Hello everyone. Today we will learn draft body command situated in home tab in more section. We already covered draft command and today we will cover draft body command. Draft command is used to give draft to any surfaces. But consider draft body is used to consider all body and give draft to all the body, entire body. So create one sketch first. I will create one rectangle. I will extrude it to symmetric because I can use that middle plane as a parting line also. So I extruded to symmetric option. Let me go to the draft body command. Here is two options, edges or faces. I want to select the edges. Okay, I can select the edges. Here, if you hover on that command, you also see the more detailed information about that command also. So, what will be happen if you select the edges and what will happen if you select the face. So, let me take edges first. Then select the parting object. Parting object is this plane. XY plane is a parting object. It automatically takes the vector to perpendicular to the parting object. So here is the location is above and below, above parting line only, below parting line only. So I'm considering above and below. Both side draft should get applied. So select the edges above parting line. This parting line is in the middle. I'm selecting above lines to give draft and select the edges below parting line. As you can see, automatically draft getting applied. And here you can control the angle. I'm putting 10 degree. See, parting line means the bottom core and top core will be meet at that point. So whenever that both core will get separated, you get your final product. Hence, I covered the draft body command. I hope you understood. Thanks.